What's going on YouTube? And today, as you can see, you got the iPhone 12 Pro. Let's unbox this joint, shall we? It's plastic. Yes, sir. Inside the box, nothing's too special. And here we go, guys. Here is the phone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Comes with, USB-C charger. See, they switched up the box design. For this year's iPhone, comes with the SIM card tool. And infamous Apple sticker. Wrapping off this phone. Very satisfying, guys. Brand new. Just got it. Guys, if you see me right here, old phone. So you already know the video is about to be all around better. As you see, boot it up very quick. Give you guys another up close look at the box and see what comes in there. As you can see, iPhone 12 Pro Max, USB-C to Lightning, power adapter, and headphones sold separately. And this phone also has 5G enabled, so 5G capable. But pretty much the whole reason why I'm switching and got this brand new phone is because I had this current phone right here where I'm recording on, the iPhone XS Max, for 2 years, ever since it came out, September 2018. So, but yeah, I don't know, guys. Is it just me, or is it like every about 2 years or so, or whenever Apple release a new phone, like the old phones start acting up, like they either get the like lag and a glitch and just doing some weird stuff, same as the new phones start coming out. So I don't know, I tend every 2 years I get a new phone, because this time, I don't know, my phone just started acting real weird, and then I don't know, just like one day I was just playing the game fine, and then my screen just suddenly just stopped working, and then it just wouldn't work at all. And then I went to lock it, and that's pretty much it. The screen wouldn't work. I couldn't swipe up. Like, the phone would do its own thing. It was doing emergency calls, calling random people, open up random apps, just doing crazy stuff. So that's really what enticed me to get this brand new phone. And if you guys don't know, for some reason, this camera is actually cracked on the back. So, the camera quality is probably not the best as it could be. So now that I got this phone, you already know the camera quality is going up. So that's another plus. But that's pretty much the whole reason I got this upgrade. But yeah, guys, as you can see, that's pretty much it. You guys found an overlook of the phone. I got it set up and played a few games, and I definitely noticed the difference in speed. Playing games, everything loaded up a lot quicker, loaded a lot faster, and even stayed in the multitasking. Panel for even longer, so It's cool to me. Pretty good upgrade. No mind the screen protector. But yeah, got it all set up. Pretty quick, not bad. And the home button still racking that, but hey guys, it's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You know I had to do it big, but stay tuned for more videos, guys. Now.